Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving into an exciting review of MEXC and the various bonuses you can take advantage of. If you're looking to maximize your trading benefits, don't forget to use our MEXC referral code 12K4M5 to get some exclusive bonuses. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about MEXC itself. Founded in 2018, MEXC has rapidly become a significant player in the cryptocurrency market. With a mission to provide a secure and efficient trading environment, MEXC offers a variety of services tailored to both new and experienced traders. MEXC operates globally, providing access to users in multiple countries. Their mission is to make cryptocurrency trading accessible and user-friendly for everyone. Now let's dive into the referral program and bonuses that MEXC offers. The referral program is a fantastic way to earn extra benefits by inviting friends to join the platform. By using our referral code 12K4M5 during sign-up, you can unlock exclusive bonuses and reduce trading fees. Let's talk about the types of bonuses you can get on MEXC. First, there are the welcome bonuses for new users. These are great for getting started and giving you a boost right from the beginning. Next, there are deposit bonuses and trading fee discounts that help you save money as you trade. And don't forget about the special event bonuses and promotions that MEXC frequently offers. So, how do you get started? Let's walk through the registration and sign-up process on MEXC. First, go to the MEXC website or download the app. Click on the sign-up button and enter your details. Make sure to enter our referral code 12K4M5 during the registration process to access those exclusive bonuses. Once you've signed up, you'll be able to explore all the features and bonuses MEXC has to offer. It's that simple. Next, let's talk about trading fees. MEXC offers competitive fees starting at just 0.1%. You can further reduce these fees by using their native token. Compared to other major exchanges, MEXC's fees are very competitive, which is great for maximizing your returns. In addition to low trading fees, MEXC also has low withdrawal and deposit fees, making it an attractive option for traders of all sizes. MEXC is packed with features and services to meet all your trading needs. They support a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to the latest altcoins. Whether you're into spot trading, futures, margin trading, or even P2P trading, MEXC has got you covered. Other great features include MEXC Earn, where you can stake your coins and earn interest, and the MEXC Launchpad, which provides early access to promising new projects. The user interface on MEXC is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The website and app are easy to navigate with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the platform straightforward and efficient. User feedback often highlights the ease of navigation and the powerful trading tools available. The mobile app is particularly well designed, allowing you to trade on the go with ease. Customer support is another crucial aspect, and MEXC doesn't disappoint. They offer 24/7 support via live chat and email. Additionally, MEXC has a vibrant community forum and a wealth of educational resources to help you get the most out of your trading experience. Having 24/7 support means you can get help whenever you need it. The community forum is also a great place to learn from other traders and share your experiences. Security is a top priority for MEXC. They use two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. Plus, they have an insurance fund to cover any potential breaches, which adds an extra layer of protection. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is essential for any serious trader. MEXC also conducts regular security audits to ensure the platform remains secure. Their insurance fund is another great feature that provides peace of mind. MEXC is also committed to regulatory compliance. They have taken significant steps to meet requirements in various jurisdictions, ensuring a safe and legal trading environment for all users. This commitment to compliance helps build trust and ensures that MEXC remains a reliable platform for trading. So, what are the pros and cons of using MEXC? On the plus side, you have a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, advanced security measures, and excellent customer support. On the downside, some users have noted that the sheer number of features can be overwhelming at first, and there are occasional regulatory challenges. Overall, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages, making MEXC a top choice for crypto traders. To wrap things up, MEXC is a robust and reliable platform with a lot to offer. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, MEXC has the tools and features to support your trading journey. Remember to use our MEXC referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up to enjoy some fantastic bonuses and reduced trading fees. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used MEXC and what your experience has been. Happy trading with MEXC. Until next time, happy trading with MEXC, and don't forget to use the referral code 12K4M5.